Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox age restriction. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox age restriction, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to this window of Roblox. When you will find it here you will enter to force stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click storage. After that you click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi. You will turn off your Wi-Fi and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again, but don't forget, don't click here clear data, because that can give you or make mistakes on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.